everyone, and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the amazing new Autumn Vibes collection from Magpie. I'm super excited about this. There is 12 colors total in this collection, and it looks like there is a good range of colors. I'm super excited to get these swatched and show you guys what they look like. Make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media. I will be having a coupon code for Magpie in the coming weeks, so if you do not want to miss out on that, make sure again you're following me on my social media, and all the links can be found in the description box below. So the first color I'm going to be showing you guys is called Neenah Cherry, and this color is a deep cherry. I would describe it in real life as a slightly more purple than it's showing up in my camera. Sometimes my camera doesn't pick up purples very well, but it's really gorgeous. I love this tone for fall. I also love the Magpie gel polish, their brushes. They're a little bit like fat and wider, and I just feel like they are really great for polishing and make the application super easy. So there is one coat, great coverage, and then I'm going to do 2 coats, and I'm curing each coat for 60 seconds in my hybrid lamp. There is 2 coats, gorgeous, love this color. And here it is compared to Georgie Porgy and Pansy Potter. If you have both of those colors in your collection, you can kind of see how it compares. It's not quite as purple, but I do believe it is a little bit more purple than the camera is picking up. Next we have Fresh as a Daisy, which is a really pretty sheer white, which is great if you think of the milk bath nail trend that's going around. This is kind of the color that you are going to want to use. And also for baby boomers, if you do baby boomers with gel polish, you're going to want a sheer white like this. This is going to work really well for those things. So that's what it looks like with one coat. So still good coverage, but just slightly sheer for the Fresh as a Daisy. Next color is Dot to Dot, which is absolutely stunning. You definitely need this color. I don't have a color like this in my collection. It's gorgeous. It is a purple with an iridescent blue shimmer. I'm hoping you guys can kind of see that. It's so pretty. All of the Magpie gel polishes I find have really, really great coverage. So there is Dot to Dot with one coat, and then I'm going in with my second coat. And this is going to be definitely a fun color for fall. I am loving this color right now. That shimmer is stunning. I absolutely love that shimmer. And here it is compared to Pansy Potter and then also Poison Ivy. This next color is called Pumpkin, and it's an orange shimmer, which of course you need an orange for fall. And to me it looks like it kind of has a slight golden shimmer to it. I definitely don't have any color like this in my collection at all. This is a really, really unique color. I think it's going to be great and fun for fall and October nails. And I looked through my collection and I just don't have anything that compares to this. And it has a really great coverage for one coat. I feel like oranges in general I don't have very many of, but definitely nothing like this. With my second coat, curing that, and it is beautiful. This is a beautiful orange. Next I'm showing you is Hunky Dory, which is a really bright purple. In a lot of the promo pictures I saw online on Instagram, I thought this color was going to be a really bright blue, but it is actually a bright purple. So if you are also thinking it's a blue from the photos, I just don't think that the purple is picking up in pictures very well. It is definitely a bright purple, not a bright blue. So keep that in mind if you are going to order this one. Beautiful coverage. Love it. Purple's my favorite color, so I can't ever have too many purples. The next color is called Jungle Jane, And this one's like a khaki fern green, which is another great color for fall. I love these types of colors in matte. It looks gorgeous in matte, paired with like gold or like a bronze, some little gold foil. You're set. This is a great color. That's what it looks like with one coat. And going in with my second coat. The next color is called Tickety Boo, and it is a dark navy blue. Almost looks black in the bottle, but it is a really, really dark blue, which if you don't have a blue like this already, you definitely want to get one of these. Everybody needs a navy in their collection. And the only thing with this one is I did have a little bit of a hard time getting it to be full coverage. However, I think partly it has to do with the clear tip, because when I put my hand underneath of the tip and the light wasn't shining through, it was definitely full coverage. So I ended up doing 3 coats of this one, and I also think I may have needed to just shake it up, but in the end it looked gorgeous, and I think it's mostly just because I'm using a clear tip and you can see the light shining through the tip. The next color is called Hula Tallulah, and this is another color that I did not have in my collection at all that is absolutely beautiful. Another purple. I'm a sucker for purples. It's a purple shimmer, and it's a little bit more on the like a red tone of purple versus blue tone, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I think this one is going to be really fun to use if you're pairing it with different glitters and different chromes and different things like that. I think this is going to be a really fun one, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and it looks so stunning and great coverage. The next one is called Bloody Mary, and I would describe this one as like a burnt red, which I did not have a red that was kind of this tone in my collection, so this is going to be a great addition. You definitely need a couple tones of red in your collection, you know, like a cherry red, an orange red. This is more of like your burnt fall red. And it has absolutely great coverage. It's a little bit of a darker red. I think this one's going to be really great for fall. Next color is Little Bo Peep, which is kind of like a rusty medium pink. I'm always on the hunt for a good like medium pink because I have hot pinks and light pinks, but the middle kind of ground, I'm always looking for different shades of medium tone pinks, and this is a really great one to add to my collection. And it has absolutely beautiful coverage as always. And here it is compared to Flamingo on the top, and then also Funtime Frankie. Next is called Dear Dee Tree, and this is a rose metallic. This one has amazing coverage. I only applied 1 coat, and I thought that it was perfect, and it didn't even need a second coat on the swatch. So this one has really great coverage, metallic, gorgeous. Another great shade for fall to have. And lastly, we have Pop Star, which is a neon pink shimmer. And this one, I was mostly excited for this one. Stunning, stunning hot pink. And I was a little confused as to why they would throw a hot pink in the fall collection, but you guys, I am not mad about it at all because this color is gorgeous, and it's definitely a hot pink that I do not already have. I don't have anything that compares to this. Absolutely stunning hot pink. And of course, amazing coverage. I do apply 2 coats, but man, the coverage for 1 coat is awesome. And here it is compared to the last season's collection, Jumping for Joy, which is a really neon, more of an orange tone pink. The Pop Star is a little bit more of a blue tone pink. So that's compared to last season's Jumping for Joy. So here are all of the colors. I'm really curious, did any colors stand out to you guys that you have to have or that you don't have already in your collection that you definitely need to add to it? I'd love to hear your thoughts on which colors popped out at you. My favorites, definitely Pop Star. I like the burnt red, the Bloody Mary. Hula Tallulah is gorgeous. Dot to Dot. And I also love the pumpkin because that orange is completely different from any orange that I already have. That one is fun. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I will be doing another swatch video of the brand new glitter collection from Magpie, which is really beautiful, so you guys have to stay tuned for that next. And you can order all of these gel colors and glitters off of magpiebeautyusa.com. And again, make sure to follow me on my social media so you don't miss out when I have a coupon code. Please give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.